What's up YouTube? It's Ben, and in this video, I'm going to tell you a really unpopular opinion, which is don't invest in cryptocurrency. All right, guys, I'm going to get right into this one because I know the hate comments are already piling up in the comment section, which go ahead and drop them all because I'd love to hear your stories or your opinions back at me about crypto. But here's the deal. Look, the only crypto whales or crypto billionaires are the people who literally bought Bitcoin when it was conceived, like literally Ethereum when it was actually conceived. Bought it, it rose in price, ballooned, and they cashed out and got their money. Boom, you have some crypto billionaires out there, and that's all great. Nowadays, okay, 2022, okay, talking about literally 15 plus years later, crypto is total BS, and it should absolutely not be on your investment radar. I must disclose to you that I myself have absolutely been involved in crypto investing, so I'm speaking directly from personal experience and other people's experience that I've studied for this video and am utilizing. So first things first, I owned a ton of Bitcoin early on, circa 2010, and I was actually trying to day trade it. Terrible idea, I know. It went basically terrible, and then I sold all of that really quickly before it actually ballooned and went crazy, which would have been awesome, but I sold it off, and that was that. Now, this is now by no means any sort of like a revenge video on crypto or anything of the sort, because I've also been involved in several other crypto investments after the fact, right? So I was involved in some random tokens, some random coins that are not Bitcoin or Ethereum, the main stakeholders, right? And got rug pulled. If you don't know what rug pulled is, basically when someone pulls the rug out from under you, you effectively lose your investment, right? It's like a pump and dump. They pump the coin way up by putting all this promo out and putting all of this stuff, propaganda basically, like, oh, so-and-so celebrity is behind this coin, or so-and-so company endorses this coin, or it's a big deal. And the price just goes up and up and up and up, and you're like, oh my God, I'm buying more and more and more and more. And you just buy a ton, like, I don't know, $3,000-$4,000 worth of the coin, and then all of a sudden, in literally a matter of 24 hours, the coin goes to literally 1 cent, and you're out all of your money. So my main reasons for you are really that I'm looking out for you, okay? I want to tell you like what to invest into and what not to invest into, right? So crypto is not to be seen as new and novel and, oh my gosh, it's, you know, outside of the fiat currency system, so my money will be safe there because it's digital currency and all of that. None of that is true. Like, that's not reality. That's like an envisionment of reality. That would be cool, but that's not the reality. That's not the actuality, right? People say all the time that, oh, this coin has like practical usage. Where? Show me where. Show me where a coin has practical usage. Yes, I get it. There's certain retailers or certain huge companies or whatever that take Bitcoin, right? They're like, we accept Bitcoin. There's just a few of those though. There's just a tiny few. When you look at the large market, the whole entire commerce market as a whole, they're not accepting crypto as a mainstream element. So if you believe that digital currency, cryptocurrency, etc., is like a mainstream thing, it's not. It's not what you think it is whatsoever. It's not there yet. It's way before its time. Way before. So is the blockchain, right? Everyone loves the blockchain. NFTs, all that kind of stuff, right? Buying land, right? Like virtual land, NFTs, crypto. Look, all before its time. Mark my words, or I'll eat my words in a later video. But here's the deal. All of this is way before its time, right? There will come a time where crypto will be legitimate, probably, and the blockchain will be entirely legitimate as far as running tons and tons of different things in our world, right? Like real estate, transactions, buying a vehicle, or buying pretty much whatever, right? But with that being said, it's not now. Buying cryptocurrency right now is like probably the stupidest thing you could do with your money ever. Like, you could probably just burn it, like literally burn it on fire, and you'd be smarter. It would just at least heat your house. Here's the thing. buying cryptocurrency currently is directly attached to the fiat currency market, right? The actual dollar, right? Everyone's like, oh, well, inflation, and oh, well, you know, I'm rotting away my money in the bank and all this kind of stuff. Look, your crypto is tied directly to fiat. Okay, when the fiat system is inflated, right? So our dollar is inflated and all of that sort of thing. It's the same thing with crypto. It's tied directly to crypto. If you look at everything that's going on, there's direct correlations to what's happening in the fiat market, in the stock market, and all of that, and crypto prices. What happens when the stock market plunges? Crypto plunges. Look at the price of Bitcoin when crypto plunges and you see the stock market plunge. It's the same thing, guys. It's just in a different format. If you didn't already get rug pulled. If that's not enough for you, crypto is not supported at all by the US banking system or the world banking system. So understand that, like, you can't do any business with crypto with US banks. Like, you have to store it in your wallet, right? Your encrypted wallet. That's great. That's fine. And you can just hold it, right? You know, be a long-term holder or a day trader, whatever you want to do with your crypto, right? And hopefully you're making money. If you have crypto, I hope you make tons of money. Okay, I want to say that for a fact, but it's not supported by any US bank. It's regulated at this point to not be supported by US banks. With that being said, that's a major factor, okay? The buck stops with the government, unfortunately, with everything that happens financially in our system, right? Anyone ever heard of the Fed? Understand how that works? Understand what they do? Understand how the rules they make affect everything? When the US banking system does not do business with crypto or doesn't take your crypto, doesn't hold your crypto, that's not good news. I guess lastly, what I'll tell you is this is not financial advice whatsoever, but I'm just telling you my experience and my opinion, and whether or not you like it or love it or hate it or whatever. But trust me, I've been there, done that, got the t-shirt, and I understand crypto very well because I studied a lot before I invest in anything. So that being said, I just want to let you know, the people making money or have had made money in crypto, I said earlier, are the ones at the beginning, right? Like a pyramid scheme, kind of, right? Anyone know Amway? Yeah, it's the beginning. It's the people at the beginning that were getting all the Bitcoin when it was like $100 a coin, right? That's what was happening. Ethereum, when it was $10, right? And you got a bunch of coins, and now they ballooned up and then they cashed out, etc. Or smart people did, right? Because they're just waiting for a collapse. There will be a collapse. There'll be a total absolute collapse, if not rug pull, of all the other crap coins that you see come out. Definitely steer clear of all of those because you're definitely getting rug pulled for sure. Nobody is having any efficiency other than actually Bitcoin or Ethereum. Those are the two mainstream coins. And as you can see, any other crap coin, right, behind all those always follow the trends of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I just want to leave you with this. Basically, do whatever you want, but understand there are things that you can invest in that you can have certainty in. There are things that you can invest in that you can have like literally negative certainty in, right? So it's so volatile that it's literally negative certainty. When I see that kind of stuff, I run for the hills. I think you should too. And this is I know an unpopular opinion, but I just wanted to get it out there because I hopefully want to save somebody $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 from a rug pull, or hopefully save somebody $50,000 from just making a crazy, stupid dump of their money. All right, guys, if you got any value out of this video or enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more investment advice, which will be coming more shortly because we're going to talk about real estate, ETFs. We're going to be talking about things that are tangible, right, that you could hold, that will cash flow for you, that have been proven to be very, very legitimate throughout the future. Also, join our Facebook group, link in description of this video, and I'll see you guys next time.